Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we will see how to install Windows. Let's get started. Please do like and subscribe the channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon.
Go to your favorite browser. Type download Windows 10 and search. Now click on the official Windows page. Not to worry. The link to the Windows OS file is given below in the description. Now download the tool. Once downloaded, click Open it. It will load for a couple of minutes. Agree the license terms and continue. If you want to upgrade the existing Windows, click on the first option. Or you can select the second one. If you want to download the file in the USB, click on the first one or select the other. And press Next. Now there is no USB flash drive inserted. Insert it and then click on Refresh Drivers. And press Next. Now it has started to download. Once downloaded, unplug the pen drive and insert it in the new machine or the one you need to install the Windows.
Press F12 continuously to enter the BIOS mode, then select the USB storage device to get the boot file from it. Once you did that, you will see the Windows logo with the loading icon. This may take a couple of minutes. After that, you will see the Windows setup. Now select the language you want to use, then the time and currency format, and the input method. Click Install now. Currently I don't have the product key, so click the I don't have the product key. Now make your choice of operating system. I will go with the Windows 10 Pro. After making the choice, click Next. Check the license term box. Now select the type of installation. I will go with the custom installation. If you need to partition the storage, you can, and here I am not doing any kind of partition. You will get a pop-up. Click OK and continue. Now the installation takes place. This will take a long time. I'm speeding it for you. Once the installation is done, your computer will restart few times automatically. Now it's the time to select the region. After selecting the region, Windows will ask for the keyboard layout. I don't want a second keyboard, so I'm skipping it. Make sure you have the internet connection available. I'm connecting it with my home Wi-Fi. Once your computer is connected to the network, press Next. Select if you work at home or office. sign in with the Microsoft account or create account. For now I'm skipping it. Enter your name. This name will be your computer's name. Set a password if you want. Personally, I don't recommend to share history across the devices. If you need a digital assistant, you can agree to it, but if you are concerned about your privacy, then opt it out. For my privacy concern, I'm turning no in all the categories. Your Windows is being loaded for the first time. Boom, here is your Windows ready to use. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, subscribe the channel for more videos. Have a very good day.